Hey guys, Justin here from Lauxes Grates. Just want to run through a couple of silicone procedures that I like to use. We're going to be putting some end caps on, a pop waste and doing a join. Alright, where we'll start is, I just like to put a little bit of silicone on a bit of scrap here. Now to use these joiners, I just like to get a little wipe, just place a little bit on the inside there, just on one side of the grate's fine. And all that does is stops it from sliding around while you're trying to join it together. Now that's done, just simply slide your other end in and you've got it joined. We'll just roll it over now. Just do a small bead underneath it. Don't have to put too much on. Now we'll just give it a quick wipe with a little bit of scrap I got here just to take that excess silicone off. With that excess, just wipe a little bit down the edges. Do it on both sides there. Now I've got a bit of terps in a bottle here. If we just give that a quick spray, and you can give it a nice little wipe with your finger there just to smooth it off so it's nice and neat. Got a rag here, just wipe the excess off there. And down your edges. Now simply just put that aside and let it dry. Depending on temperature, what sort of silicone you're using, it might vary in different times, so just keep an eye on it. Now just do your pop waste. We've got 4 different sizes. We've got 40, 50, 72 and 80 millimetre. So all put on the same way. Just again, your neutral cure silicone around the bottom there. Just a continuous bead is fine. Now I've pre-drilled this with an 80 millimetre hole saw of Lauxes, so they're designed to fit perfectly. Now we'll do the end caps. Slide them in position. I'll bring it over to the edge of the table here and just line a bead along the bottom. I'm going to do both ends at the same time, but you can do it one at a time, whatever you feel comfortable with. Grab my little stick here again, just wipe that excess off and wipe a little bit down the sides there. Same at the other end. Once again, a quick squirt of terps. And a quick wipe with your finger. Any excess, just wipe it on a rag. That just neatens it up. Now I just put that aside till that dries as well, and you're ready to install.